student children. Today we are going to see applications of multimedia in 12th standard subject computer application. Still we are in first lesson only. So welcome back to 12th standard computer application. In this session, we are going to see about applications of multimedia. That means where we are going to apply the multimedia concept. Till now, we have studied about the components of multimedia, file formats of multimedia, then applications. Now we are in application of multimedia. So application of multimedia in the sense, multimedia is the most fast growing area in the field of information technology. You know that. In the field of information technology, multimedia is fast growing area. Okay. So multimedia is nothing but an application which has in its use collection of multiple media sources like text, images, sound or audio, animation and video in a single platform. Predominantly, entertainment and education are the fields where multimedia is used in majority. Not only in this fields, see, multimedia is applied in the field of education, entertainment, business systems, medical services, public places, and multimedia conferencing. In the field of education, multimedia plays a vital role. It offers an alternative method for what? For traditional teaching. Multimedia offers a alternative method to traditional teaching. Traditional teaching means what? It is nothing but teaching with a blackboard and chalkpiece. Multimedia based teaching and learning system named as Modulo at GMU in Germany developed is a web-based environment that aims to provide students with flexible and decentralized learning environment based on their educational background. Educational background depends upon the school. All the schools will be interconnected, okay, with this modulo, and they will be learning. Next comes e-learning, distance learning, virtual learning. These are also launched in India. A very good example is EduSat, that is educational satellite, is launched for serving the educational sector of the country for emulating virtual classroom in an effective manner. We all imagine that we all feel that we are in that classroom, but we are not, but we will be sitting in the same classroom. Multimedia plays a vital role in the offering an excellent alternative method to traditional teaching. How? By allowing the students to explore and learn various concepts through animation. Animation grabs the students' attention. Many educators accepts multimedia introduces new ways of thinking in the classroom. Definitely. So in India, multimedia is used in different ways for teaching and learning. As I said, in e-learning, distance learning. Okay. See, ISRO, AGSAT for education, is given in this. Entertainment. The remarkable advancement in the entertainment industry is due to the multimedia technology mainly. This technology is needed in all mode of entertainment. What do you mean by all mode? Entertainment, okay. Entertainment in the sense, sitting in one place, sitting in your home, we are able to see all the movies through Amazon, Netflix, okay, a Disney Hotstar. So that is called as video on demand or movies on demand. Not only movies, some videos which are very viral is also stored, and it is a service that provides movies to television sets on an individual basis at home. These movies are stored on a central server and transmitted through a communication network. Able to understand? A set-top box connected to the communication network converts the digital information to analog signals and inputs to the television set. So in entertainment, not only in this video on demand, you have many games using multimedia. Next comes business systems. Business system, definitely the multimedia plays a vital role in business system. Business applications for multimedia include presentations. Presentation in the sense, if you want to present any information to the user, you can use this multimedia. Training. Training is done through multimedia, internet protocols, and so on. See, for marketing and advertising in business, we are using animation techniques for sales promotion. See here, the marketing and advertising agencies. I have given a picture for advertisement, 50% sale up to 50%. For this, they have used text as well as images. Multimedia not only used for advertising agencies, it is very commonly used for building employee ID. See, this is an ID card. For building ID card also, they use multimedia. Cell phones and personal digital assistant with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi communication technology makes multimedia communication for business more effectively. Next comes medical services, which is very useful in human life. Medical services have grown drastically with the development of multimedia. Medical students practices surgery methods through simulation prior to surgery. So, if a student completing MS, Master of Surgery, so if it is the last working day for that MS, the next day itself they are not allowed to do a surgery. Before surgery, prior to surgery, they are allowed to practice simulation. Through simulation, they are allowed to do the surgery. Tiny digital camera are inserted in human body and it displays the inner scene of the body. Digital camera is allowed. Okay. Next comes public places. Multimedia is available in many public places like trade shows, libraries, railway station, museums, malls, airports, banks, hotels, and exhibition in the form of kiosk. What do you mean by kiosk? See, one image is available in your screen. That instrument is called as kiosk, which is capable of providing all the information wherever this machine is kept. For example, if it is kept in library, information related to that or the books available in that library is also displayed in this system, which will be very useful for the customers to know whether the books are available or not. Banks uses kiosk in the form of ATM machines. Instead of going to manage a bank manager and asking whether I'm having any balance amount in my account or not, directly you can approach the ATM machines to check your balance amount. Able to understand? So, till now what we have seen, this topic is about application of multimedia, where the multimedia is applied in education, entertainment, then business system, medical services, then comes public places. Next, what we are going to see is multimedia conferencing. Multimedia conferencing or video conferencing is a system that performs face-to-face interaction among participating. The users will be located far from each other, but it appears that they were sitting in a single room. Multimedia conferencing or video conferencing is a system that performs face-to-face interaction. Everybody have come across this video conferencing. I know that. Okay, so these are the areas where multimedia is applied. Able to understand? Thank you. We will see in the next class.